Well, we're here at the salt end of Roosevelt Lake, and I have never seen this much water. It is just ripping. Snow melt. Big time. Filling up the lake. Wow. I guess it could be even higher. It could be way up here. That's amazing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That'd be fun to take the kayak down. Definitely. I don't know about going over that thing though. That's a bit of a hurdle. Alright, we're continuing our ride. We're going to do 8 Cross Road on the backside of Roosevelt. 25 miles of dirt road, primitive. There's nothing out there. Let's see what we can do. See ya. Well, it's lunchtime. Got Spider. Spider wants my lunch. Let's see what we got for lunch today. Can you see me now? No, you can't. Man, I suck at doing videos. Hold on. Y'all hold on your hats. I'm gonna have to raise you up a little. How's that? Can you see me now? Hello? Where's my table at? Alright, let's try that. Can y'all see me now? Okay. Take 2. Let's see what we got for lunch. Oh, what do we have here? I'm not sure what all that is. There's a water bottle. pro tip. These little Amazon waterproof bags are super thick. I put an ice pack in there with my lunch. It's 90 degrees here in Arizona. And it's pretty airtight. It'll hold ice for, I'd say, 3 or 4 hours. Simple little bag. All right. We got a banana, apple. Oh, we got a nice tortilla here. I wish it was quail season. We'd get us some quail for lunch. We got an avocado. Let's go with that. Let's go with that. Sure is pretty out here. I'm on somebody's ranch. And they don't seem to mind. I come out here and hunt coyotes, and they encourage us to take as many coyotes as we can because they kill their calves. You kill one calf, he had the potential to make a lot of meat and bring that rancher some big money. But if the coyote kills him, you wasted your time. And it happens a lot. Oh, that's a pretty one there. That is a pretty one. I heard a story that Tom Selleck from Magnum and Blue Bloods, apparently he owns a avocado ranch in California, and he doesn't like avocados. I find that kind of strange. That'd be like a cattle rancher that doesn't like a steak. Maybe a vegan cattle rancher. I'm gonna throw this over here, but it'll go in the bag before I leave. Just so y'all don't think I'm a litter bug. C2. Man, that's a good looking Avi. So today, basically a vegetarian lunch. Since we don't have any meat, we're just having a big old Avi wrap. Avocado is so good for you. If you don't like avocado, you're missing out. I know some people don't. Hard to believe, but all right. Let's eat. Dear God, thank you for this lunch. Amen. Thank you for this time.